Are you having problems with your home's roof? Is your roofing due for some routine maintenance? When it comes to the roofing on your home, let's face it, it really is more than just a roof over your head. It's a major part what is undoubtedly your single biggest investment. So when problems arise or routine maintenance is due, professional attention is called for. An experienced and reliable roofing contractor can deal with those small things that, if left unattended, can turn into a major concern. Leaks, dipping, buckling, and damaged shingles can easily lead to a larger repair bill if left unattended. But a well-maintained roof protects your whole house against whatever Mother Nature decides to throw at you: rain, snow, hail, or shine. So whether your roof just needs a checkup, some minor repairs, or it's in need of something more major, get quality service from a roofing contractor you can trust. Contact us today.